Okay, so because our time is almost up, so we are going to have last but not least activity. So this activity is quite fun. You have to choose one of your favorite song, just one, okay? You have to write one of your favorite song, then you have to write its social meaning as well. And if you're still confused what you're going to choose, you can surf the internet, and I will give you around 5 minutes. 5 minutes is okay, right? Okay, so your time is start. Your time is up, so right now I'll choose one of you to come forward and share your words to your friends. And then I will choose Rara. Rara, please come forward. Wow, great job, Rara. So your favorite song is a Hollywood, right? Yeah, it's a good song. So thank you for sharing your work and take a seat now. And then our next activity is called 3 to 1 activity. What is 3 to 1 activity? Yeah. First, you have to write 3 things that you have learned from today's materials. And then you have to make 2 questions related to today's materials. And the last thing, you have to list 1 thing that you are going to do after you get these materials. Is it quite easy, right? So you have to prepare a piece of paper, then write it on your paper. Okay, so? Okay, because our time is up, so right now we are having a reflection. Before we end our class, I want to ask you something. What we have learned today? Sing a song. Yes, of course, sing a song. Besides that, what again? Yeah, you have learned about the social meanings of the songs. Other? What? Yeah, the structures of the song. So what is the structure of the song? The element of the songs. Yeah, so happy that all of you are participate well in my classroom. And so this is the end of our class. Next meeting we are going to learn about narrative text. So thank you for your participation, and then see you next